Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock image website. First, define your niche and target audience to guide your content and overall vision. Next, choose a suitable platform and understand various image licensing models, like royalty-free versus rights managed. Finally, plan your content strategy to ensure a steady flow of high-quality visuals for your users and attract contributors. Once your vision is clear, focus on the technical foundation. Select a reliable web hosting provider that can handle high traffic and large files. Install a robust content management system, then integrate an e-commerce solution to manage sales. Crucially, set up secure payment gateways to process transactions smoothly and protect customer data. With your site ready, it's time for content. Consistently upload high-quality images, ensuring they are well-organized with descriptive categories and tags for easy searching. Implement clear licensing terms for every image, detailing usage rights. Finally, determine competitive pricing strategies that reflect the value of your content and attract buyers. To attract visitors, market your website effectively. Optimize your site for search engines to improve visibility and promote your content across various social media platforms. Engage actively with both photographers and users to build a community. Regularly analyze your website's performance using analytics and adapt your strategies for continuous growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.